Incorporate anti-inflammatory drinks into your daily routine and enhance your immune system, overall vitality and well-being. Be healthy. Anti-inflammatory drinks are known to combat inflammation, which is linked to various chronic diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. In this video, we will explore a diverse range of anti-inflammatory beverages, from herbal teas and smoothies to juices and tonics, each packed with ingredients known for their anti-inflammatory properties. There's something here for everyone to enhance well-being. Elderberry tea is a delightful and healthful beverage known for its immune-boosting properties. Packed with antioxidants and vitamins, elderberries have been traditionally used to help fend off colds and flu, making this tea a popular choice during the colder months. Preparing elderberry tea is simple and requires minimal ingredients, allowing you to enjoy its benefits without any hassle. To make a basic elderberry tea, start with dried elderberries, which you can find at health food stores or online. Use about 1 tablespoon of dried elderberries for every cup of water. Bring the water to a boil, then add the elderberries and let them simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Afterwards, strain the mixture to remove the berries and your tea is ready to enjoy. For added flavor, consider infusing it with a slice of lemon or a dash of cinnamon. One of the significant advantages of making your elderberry tea is that you can avoid added sugars often found in store-bought versions. By keeping it natural, you not only enhance the health benefits, but also maintain the tea's effectiveness in supporting your immune system. Enjoying elderberry tea regularly can be a delicious way to bolster your health and wellness naturally. Jamu, a traditional drink often enjoyed for its warming and soothing properties, prominently features turmeric as a key ingredient. Turmeric, known for its vibrant yellow color, is celebrated for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, making it a staple in many wellness routines. To prepare jamu, combine 2 cups of water with 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, and a pinch of black pepper to enhance absorption. Simmer for about 10 minutes, then strain and sweeten with honey if desired. The combination of turmeric and ginger not only provides a delightful taste, but also offers numerous health benefits. Turmeric aids in reducing inflammation and improving digestion, while ginger is known for its ability to alleviate nausea and boost the immune system. Making a simple turmeric tea is an easy and rewarding way to incorporate the health benefits of this powerful spice into your daily routine. To prepare this soothing beverage, you'll need just a few ingredients. 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 2 cups of water, and optional additions like honey and lemon for flavor. Start by bringing the water to a boil in a small saucepan. Once boiling, add the ground turmeric and reduce the heat, allowing it to simmer for about 10 minutes. After simmering, strain the tea into your favorite mug to remove any sediment. For a touch of sweetness and added flavor, consider stirring in a teaspoon of honey and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Turmeric is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the body and support overall health. This makes turmeric tea an excellent choice for those looking to enhance their wellness naturally. Additionally, customizing your tea with honey and lemon not only enhances the taste, but also adds their own health benefits, such as soothing sore throats and providing a boost of vitamin C. Enjoy this delightful drink regularly to reap the benefits of turmeric while savoring a comforting cup of tea. Introducing homemade ginger shots is a fantastic way to boost your health without breaking the bank. Making these potent little shots at home is not only cost-effective, but also allows you to control the ingredients and customize the flavors to your liking. To prepare your own ginger shots, you'll need just a few essential ingredients: fresh ginger root, lemon juice, and honey. Start by peeling and roughly chopping about 2 inches of fresh ginger. Blend the ginger with half a cup of water until smooth, then strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to extract the juice. Add the juice of 1 lemon and a tablespoon of honey to the ginger juice, mixing well. This simple recipe yields a concentrated shot that packs a flavorful punch. Ginger is well known for its numerous health benefits, including its ability to reduce inflammation, aid digestion, and boost the immune system. When combined with lemon, which is rich in vitamin C, the health benefits are amplified, helping to detoxify the body and enhance overall wellness. Enjoying these homemade ginger shots regularly can be a refreshing way to support your health and energize your day. A refreshing pineapple turmeric smoothie is the perfect way to enjoy tropical flavors while reaping the health benefits of its vibrant ingredients. This smoothie combines the sweetness of ripe pineapple with the earthy warmth of turmeric, creating a deliciously unique drink that's both invigorating and nutritious. To make this simple smoothie, gather the following ingredients: 1 cup of fresh or frozen pineapple chunks, 1 banana, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1 cup of coconut water or almond milk, and a handful of ice. Begin by adding the pineapple, banana, turmeric and coconut water or almond milk to a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy, adjusting the consistency by adding more liquid if desired. For an extra chill, toss in a handful of ice before blending. This smoothie not only tantalizes your taste buds with its tropical flavors, but also provides numerous health benefits. Pineapple is rich in vitamin C and bromelain, which aids digestion, while turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Enjoying this smoothie on hot days is a fantastic way to stay cool and refreshed while nourishing your body. So, whip up this delightful pineapple turmeric smoothie and savor the taste of summer any time of year. Smoothie is a delightful way to enjoy a healthy snack packed with flavor and health benefits. Blueberries are renowned for their high antioxidant properties, which help combat oxidative stress and support overall health. To create this delicious smoothie, you'll need the following ingredients: 1 cup of fresh or frozen blueberries, 1 banana, half a cup of plain yogurt, preferably Greek for added protein, 1 cup of almond milk or any milk of your choice, and a drizzle of honey for sweetness if desired. Start by adding the blueberries, banana, yogurt, and almond milk to a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy, adjusting the consistency by adding more milk if necessary. The yogurt not only enhances the creaminess of the smoothie, but also provides beneficial probiotics that support gut health. This blueberry smoothie is not only refreshing, but also a fantastic way to incorporate essential nutrients into your diet. Enjoy it as a healthy snack between meals or as a quick breakfast option. With its vibrant color and delicious taste, this smoothie is sure to satisfy your cravings while nourishing your body with antioxidants and probiotics. So blend up this nutrient-rich treat and enjoy the goodness of blueberries. Making a nutrient-packed green juice is a fantastic way to boost your health and incorporate fresh vegetables into your diet. Fresh vegetables are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants which can enhance your immune system, improve digestion, and promote overall well-being. You don't need a juicer to enjoy a delicious green juice. A blender will do the trick. To prepare your green juice, gather the following ingredients: 1 cup of spinach, 1 cucumber, 1 green apple, half a lemon juiced, and a small piece of ginger. Start by chopping the cucumber and apple into smaller pieces for easier blending. Add the spinach, cucumber, apple, ginger, and lemon juice to your blender, along with 1 cup of water. Blend until smooth, then strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove the pulp if desired. This will give you a refreshing and nutrient-dense green juice. Feel free to experiment with different ingredients such as kale, celery, or even herbs like mint or parsley to create your perfect blend. Enjoy this green juice as a revitalizing drink any time of day, and let your creativity shine as you discover new flavor combinations. Sharing a vibrant apple carrot beet smoothie is a wonderful way to enjoy a delicious drink packed with nutritional benefits. Each ingredient in this smoothie contributes to its health-boosting properties. Apples are rich in fiber and vitamin C, carrots provide beta-carotene and antioxidants, while beets are known for their ability to improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. To prepare this colorful smoothie, gather the following ingredients: 1 medium apple, cored and chopped, 1 medium carrot, peeled and chopped, 1 small beet, cooked and chopped, half a banana, and 1 cup of almond milk or any milk of your choice. Start by adding the apple, carrot, beet, banana, and almond milk to a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy, adjusting the consistency by adding more milk if needed. This simple recipe is not only easy to prepare, but also incredibly refreshing and satisfying. Enjoy this smoothie as a nutritious breakfast or a mid-afternoon snack to fuel your day. The vibrant colors and delicious flavors make it a treat for your taste buds while providing essential vitamins and minerals to support your health. So, whip up this apple carrot beet smoothie and savor the goodness it brings to your wellness journey. In this video, we explored the significant benefits of incorporating anti-inflammatory drinks into your daily diet, highlighting their role in promoting overall health and wellness. By reducing inflammation in the body, these beverages can help combat chronic diseases and enhance your immune system. We shared a variety of delicious recipes, including refreshing ginger shots, soothing turmeric tea, and nutrient-rich smoothies. each designed to provide essential nutrients while tantalizing your taste buds. We encourage you to try these recipes at home and experience the positive impact they can have on your health. Whether you're looking for a quick energy boost or a way to support your body's natural defenses, these drinks are a fantastic addition to your routine. If you enjoyed the content and found it helpful, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more health-focused videos. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these insights and recipes. Together we can spread the word about the importance of nutrition and wellness. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more valuable content to support your health journey.